Hi guys, I've got the lively bird here, and he's just reviewing some tea and birthday cake company.
Thanks for having me on your channel today.
Don't worry about your lively bird. So you're well enough for coming. You've got about 25 subscribers. And you're getting 1,000 views. Got over 1,000 views on over 2,000 views on both platforms. Active Foodie.
Active Foodie. It's just starting new. He hasn't got to my level yet. I've got millions of subscribers though.
Lively bird. Subscribe to him, guys. The next big thing. But anyway, what do you rate the tea then?
This tea is so chocolatey, brown. I've never seen the colour like it. It's so dark. It's missing milk in it.
What's the message?
Milk.
So I think you'll put more milk in it.
But this cake is another level because it's got a bit of
jam in the middle.
Jam, a bit of everything, a bit of this, a bit of that, and it's got a bit of buttery.
Buttery as well, I think.
Absolutely amazing.
What buttery you said, Lively
It's
Bird?
a bit of buttery as well.
See that guys, you heard it from Lively Bird himself.
I suggest everybody out there try this delicious cake. And I think it's got a bit of red Liverpool in there. That title's in there now, I can see it. Actually, celebrating the title in there.
No, don't worry. Man City will be back this season. A lot of people forgetting we won the last 5 years.
I can see Van Dijk is celebrating 25, 26 seasons that title in there as well. And the season after.
I think the Lively Bird's gone on Cuckoo Land now.
Subscribe to Active Foods.
Active Foodie.
It's starting new.
That's it now. That's it, guys.